Okay, go ahead and come up a little bit more. Okay, so this patient had a snowboarding incident where he jumped and landed on his lower back. So he injured his lower back, but luckily there are no radiating symptoms going down his leg, so it's in the local area. And I think adjusting will really help him. So we're gonna start with his lumbar adjustment. Pull his hand right there. You okay?
Yeah.
Good, that sounded nice. There. There you go. All right. Okay, deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe out again. There you go. Deep breath in and breathe out. There we go. You feel okay? Good. Do you have pain in this area?
No, not much.
How about here? There?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath in and breathe out. Okay. I'm just gonna stretch a little before, okay? Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Again, in and out. In and out. Can you breathe? You alright?
Breathing, yes. Good.